today you are greeted with a video. See a diecast? Well, I just got about more of them. Package right here from Daryl's Diecast. So let's open this puppy up and do this one-handed. Actually, you know what? We might be able to just... Nope, yeah, that's not gonna work. Alright, well, hopefully this cuts. You know what? Let's put this in between my legs. Yeah. Hold up. I hope I didn't cut any of the contents. Sorry if I didn't really invest in a tripod. It's the best I could do. There we go. There we go. There we go. You got a whole bunch of packing peanuts. Ooh, that is fresh off the wire. Let's see, so here is a piece of cardboard. Let's see, who's the first card we're going to pull out? And it's Brad Keselowski in the number 2 Miller Lite Ford. Let's put that down to, actually, I'll put this on the ground. Here. No, oops, sorry. Man. Alright, let's put that in focus. Don't fall on me. Brad Keselowski in the 2 car. $7.95. Yes, $7. Alright, alright. Next car we have is Denny Hamlin's number 11 FedEx Express Toyota Camry. Yes. Alright, good stuff, some good stuff. Oh my god! And then we got Joey Logano's number 22 Shell Pennzoil. So again, I did get all these cars for $12. And then we got what looks like a somewhat of a deformed box. Kyle Busch's 18 M&M's Toyota Camry. And last, but certainly not least, we got Dale Jr.'s number 88 National Guard Chevrolet. Let's put these back a bit. Alright. And it looks like we got an invoice in here. I'm not going to show you. Alright, so here's the invoice. If you guys want to see that. Alright. So, yeah. That was my unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Oh, let's get a little picture of all the cars that I ordered. The 18 this box is kind of just a tad bit deformed. Just a tad, though. All the cars. Stay tuned for some diecast reviews on them. And, yes, finally, yes.